Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and for this video I have another unboxing. This time is the Yuzen box and this one looks like this. If you're not familiar with this subscription, with this box, this is a subscription that comes 4 times a year each season. This one is for spring 2018 and this one is $35 per box. They also have a gift box which is $38 that you can buy anytime from their site. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and that one is 38. As I said, you can buy that one time if you wanna make a gift to somebody, to yourself, or just to see what kind of products they have. So the reason first of all, this one is a box that has just natural products, cruelty-free, vegan, all that good stuff. So the reason I got this one, because there are plenty boxes which are vegan, cruelty-free, and all that kind of stuff. The reason I chose this one is because it has skincare. So if you know me, you know I love to buy skincare subscription boxes, so this is one of them and I really like this one. I have this subscription for almost 2 years, and as far I remember, there was everything I got in this box was great. So also what I saw in this box is almost each box had a serum or a very good item. So let's see what is in this one. And the box inside looks like this. It comes all the time with this paper and this the small one, this one, which I believe it's a Japanese paper or something like that, and looks like this. It's really pretty. This time it's a pink one. For the winter they had a blue one, really nice. And let's go ahead and see what's in this one. As you can see, it comes with the card, and here's the box inside. On the card they have a greeting message and all the products inside the box with details, and also why they chose that product. And if you look very close here, you're gonna see that each product comes with a coupon code, which I think is great. If you like one of those products, you can get it with a good discount of 20 or 30% off, which is not bad. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. The first item in here, it's from aromatherapy, and this one is Revive Body Gel. It's 1.35 fluid ounces, 40 milliliters, and looks like this. And about this one, as I said, all the products are organic, cruelty-free, vegan, no parabens, petroleum sulfates, or any other things like that, which I think is great. So that was the first item. Then we have a full-size item in here, which is this one, and this is from Pure Natural. It's Hugo Naturals All Over Lotion, and this one is vanilla and sweet orange. I bet this one smells great. And also we have in here, we have this bag, the organza bag, and in this bag I see another bag, this time a green one, and also this one has a 25 off coupon. So let's see what's in this one. As I can see here, it's a full-size product also, which is not bad at all. And this one is from I believe, Organic Skincare. It's lemon cleansing milk. I like the pump, so it's not bad. Another full-size item, which is a cleanser. And then we get here Good Day Chocolate. It's calm supplement to help you relax. Candy chocolate looks like this. It's a small guy. I like the face. And when you open this, you get another face here, and those are some candy, and they look like this. Pretty color. And in each box they usually send something sweet, like I got before the full-size chocolate, all kind of fruity candies, some peanut butter, which was the great one I ever tried. So yeah, all kind of sweets. Then we have in here from Derma E. This one is for normal and oily skin, and this is anti-wrinkle vitamin A glycolic scrub, and this is with vitamin C and E. Looks like this. So far we have cleanser, we have a scrub. Let's see what's next. We also have a body gel, body lotion, almost a full skincare regimen. And then we have this guy, which is another full-size item, and this one is from Capricious Skincare, if I'm saying right. This one is retinol serum 2.5%, and is also full size. This one has 1.2 ounces. So as I said, they always said the serum, and I'm really happy about that, especially when I'm getting a natural one. Not bad. And we also have in here some cards. And the last item in here is this one, still from Aromatherapy, Distress Muscle. This is bath and shower oil, and here is the size of this. So far I'm really happy with this box, as I always was. I like all the boxes that I got before, and we have at least 3 full-size items, which are for the body. We get a shower, bath and shower oil, we have this body gel, and we have this body cream. Not bad at all. And then for face we have and of course we have some goodies, and we have a cleanser, we have a face scrub, and we have a serum. In my opinion, I think this is a great box. I will keep this subscription because I really like it. I use some of their products that I got in other boxes, and all of them are great. For example, Aromatherapy, Derma E are brands that are coming most of the time. I like Derma E, I like the Aromatherapy. Right now I'm using a room and body mist, which is really nice. And this time they send another 2 items. So I'm gonna leave the link down below if you wanna check their site. They have there all the details about the items, about the brands, and whatever it's in here. So you let me know, what do you think about this box? It's one that I like, a skincare part. I like it because it has organic products, natural, all the good stuff. So let me know, what do you think about this box? What product do you like from this box? Actually, I think it's better to ask, what product would you like to try from this box? What do you think is the best product in here? So yeah, that's all for this unboxing. I will see you again with another box, and I'm trying to think what's gonna be next. I believe I will have also some kits this time from QVC, still skincare and makeup. And yeah, if you wanna see those unboxing, keep watching, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe also. And there is also, if you're new to my channel, there is also a giveaway open until the end of the month. I'll leave the link down below if you wanna enter that. And that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Thank you again for all your comments. I'm enjoying reading those, and I hope I'm answering back to each one. What I realize lately, I'm not getting all the comments when you send them. Some of them are posted way later than you do that, after many hours. I have to check the whole account to find them in comments. They don't come in the notification with the notification bell, so it's something really weird going around, but it is what it is. I'm doing the best I can to answer to all of those. If I'm not, just send me another one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with another unboxing. Bye bye.